shit, garage one.
Take one.
Take one.
Oh shit, do it again.
Oh shit, garage. Oh,
Take one.
oh shit. Ah. Oh shit.
Garage.
Oh shit, garage.
Take one.
Take one. Garage. Oh shit, garage.
Oh shit, garage. Take one. Shut
Oh
it.
shit, garage. Take one.
These frogs in the toilet tank took the lid off.
Oh, gross. Well, Jimmy, I think today's the 12th. And we got everything set up to take your car out to pressure wash it. And we got a lightning thunderstorm cutting loose. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that out there. Beyond those. Beyond the tree. All right, we're bringing her out. We got a tiny break, so we're gonna at least get some purple power. Watching this passenger side. Probably good. Monte. I think it looks better in the rain. Yeah. The dust to dirt. All right, this GoPro 7 Black is supposed to be waterproof also, so I'm gonna go with this one's a better camera than the other one that I got, so it ain't getting that wet anyway. It's not like, you know, it's not like he's pressure washing me.
Oh, sorry, Paul. Sorry, man.
Oh man.
You all right?
Man, yeah, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh God. Yeah, you missed a spot. You didn't get under my arms. Got some serious. There we are. Yeah.
Do it again.
Is that pure purple power?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the only way we use it. Why would you want to delete it?
Right on the side of that vacuum ball thing. Down. Yeah, you see all that grease down there at the bottom? Yeah, that's it. All right. Now Mother Nature's gonna do its thing. Because Mother Nature created purple power. Sure it did. You just sit there and think about what you did. 86 Monte Carlo Super Sport. Oh, look at you. This is you looking at me. This is me looking at you. Oh. The Canon T6i. You're the most expensive thing I think I've ever bought. You were $1,800 when you first came out. Look at you now. Yet a skeleton of what you used to be. because now they have the T11i, and you're $2,800 with accessories. How times have changed. Yep.
Forget you got tea in here.
Oh, awesome.
You need it?
Yes, I will take it, please. Haha, full gallon. I drink on the job. Yes, I do. Oh shit, garage. Pressure washing begins. Take whatever you want it to be.
Take your time.
Oh, he's doing suspension too.
Got a paint in here.
Oh,
It's all gotta get painted. And I can hit the back side of the power steering. It's probably gonna take a pressure washing and another spraying and
yeah.
a few times to get it where we want it to be.
Yeah, this has got to be vacuumed out. This has got leaves and junk in it. And that wasn't from here because there were no, it was inside.
The whole time.
Yeah. We're going to do a DNA test on those leaves. I bet you they're Jimmy's leaves. I hate spammers.
Keep calling, I hang up on their ass and they call back.
All right.
Why, Billy, why?
This is just a observation. If we pressure wash and you hit any of them duct tape things that are named,
It won't hurt them.
it won't come off.
No, that tape's tough.
Okay.
That's why I use it. It's frog
Okay.
tape.
Because I would, it's frog tape. Okay.
Yeah.
I would be left in the
It's
dark
froggy tape.
if they came off.
Feeling froggy?
I would not. Well, obviously we both are because we're playing in the rain. Jimmy, you see, this is how far we go for you. We're both standing out in the rain. I don't know if the camera can catch that, but against that darkness, but it's raining.
Need to wash that tank out that's on there. I wish we could replace that. This,
Mm-hmm.
wish I can replace that. I may take it off and clean it out, but it's probably still gonna be yellow. I wonder if I can just buy the reservoir.
That would be interesting. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Definitely would look good.
Better.
Better,
More better.
better cheddar.
Are we bringing the power?
I'm checking.
Wow, easy. Well, it was easy. That is the pressure washer that he rebuilt. I think he needs to warm up. when it's up on the car lift, we'll be able to access the frame to paint it. So he's cleaning under there too. Alrighty then.
Check off for a couple minutes.
Look at that water beading up on that thing. It's so shiny and waxed. Ooh, that looks good. The doctor has performed an enema.
A surgeon.
Yes.
A surgeon would call it.
See him wiping all the way up to his elbow? That means he was all the way up in there to his elbows. Oh, to his shoulders.
Shoot. Shoot. Shoot.
That's it for now. Cut. Break time at Old Shit Garage. Oh Shit Garage. Bust out this gallon of moonshine that you made. Yeah. You brew some good shine, man. He's got 2 old gas tanks out back, and he brews it and boils it in one gas tank, and it passes through the smart car into the smart car's gas tank, and then he's got a furnace under there. It boils it till it steams out into a tube, and it dumps into the pontoons of the pontoon boat. Is where he stores his moonshine. All right, he just double checked under the hood to see if it was in need of another pressure washing, but he said it looked good. Looked pretty dang good. So now we got to bring this beast back in. Get my camera set up. I'm gonna have to. Well, it looks like it can come straight in from where it was.
Yeah.
So, you gonna put a block down to stop the tire?
The only thing on is the emergency brake.
Okay. I would say let her rip, but we don't want it to rip.
Alright. So all you gotta do is sit there and pull the emergency brake handle. So
Oh, it's got a hand. Okay.
no, it's got a little one on the dash, under the dash all the way to the left.
But the actual foot brakes don't work?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
torquey drove here. You know they work.
Well, no, yeah. But all your disassembly. Disassembly?
Yeah.
No disassembly.
See the brake handle down there?
Oh.
There's blocks in front of it. So you should be able to put your foot on the brake and pull it. Put your foot on the brake and pull it.
Gotcha, I see.
Right off. See if it just sits in.
Emergency brake is back on. we can crack on. Because it's back on.
It's on crack. It's on crack.
She's back inside. That's okay. That's good for it.
Give it a little washing.
Nice.
Looks pretty clean. Anything from now on, work with the brake clean and then back in and all the good stuff.
Etc. Etc. Etc.
Got a drippy lip. Got a drippy lip.
All right. Air dry.
Blow dry.
That's where the action took place, right there. Let's go out. Let's go out and see the OSG ladies in the rain. It's not raining too hard, so.
Oh shit, garage. Oh shit.
Again. Take 3.
Oh shit, garage. Oh shit.
Okay, what shit is that? What kind of shit is it?
Oh shit, roll cage.
How you spilling that shit?
SHITT.
Oh, okay.